Egypt's strongman behind bars and on a hospital bed facing murder charges. Perhaps that's the strongest image that Egyptians will remember from the historic first session of trial of former Mubarak, his two sons, and his former Minister of Interior. The court was held amid tight security measures as 3,000 troops were deployed in the surrounding area. The ailing former president faces charges of killing peaceful protesters, charges that he pleaded not guilty to, as so did Ale and Gamal, his sons. But to the majority of Egyptians, they believe he is responsible for these killings and see his trial symbolic and necessary as an indication that the revolution is moving in the right direction. According to the protesters who came to the outskirts of Cairo to witness the trial, he has done more than kill protesters, and that is sabotage Egypt's political landscape.
I want justice. I want them to receive justice for the 840 martyrs.
I'm not optimistic. A large number of lawyers representing families of the martyrs were not allowed inside the courtroom.
Till the very last minute, pro- and anti-Mubarak protesters outside the courtroom casted doubts that the ousted president will show. But despite Egyptian state media being the only media allowed inside the court session, to the surprise of many, the former president was clearly shown to the satisfaction of many Egyptians several times. The first session is typically a procedures case. Lawyers representing the families of martyrs and those injured made their demands, calling witnesses such as the head of the military council, who currently runs the country, as well as a long list of former officials.
We just hope that things move quickly and fairly and that they don't unleash their thugs on us during the trial.
It is widely speculated among Egyptians that the ousted president will never be convicted, especially since if convicted, penalty could reach death. But seeing Mubarak and those who are responsible to the killings of protesters starting to be held accountable satisfied many. The judge concluded with separating the case of the former Minister of Interior and his aides and resuming their case the next day, while Mubarak's case and two sons will resume on the 15th of August. This is the first appearance of Mubarak since he addressed Egyptians before stepping down in February. May Kamel, Press TV, Cairo.